Hello everyone, I'm Mangala. He's my husband. I'm speaking on his behalf. He's been detected as a Pakistan patient from the 2012, and from 2012 to 2018 he was very well with medical medicines. And in 2018 we had gone on a Chardham Yatra where he started hallucinating, and he was not in his proper senses. And after coming back, we had to nearly, me and my children and doctors, nearly it took us 2 months to bring him back to what he is today. And he has been a very active person. He never used to sit in one place even for 5 minutes. He was all the time walking and socializing, and he's immaterial of the elders or the children. He's among all of them, talking and bringing them together. So when after 2018, when he started being in the house, it became very difficult for us to. He started going into depression because he was not independent. He wanted help for every step he has to take. He was freezing, and when he was freezing, it was like both his legs are stuck to the ground with the Fevicol, which is not able to move. So he was, and fall also was quite often for him. Then we were just wondering what to do. In the meantime, my son-in-law came across this Shark Tank episode of Amay Desai pitching for walk, and he sent us the link. He and my daughter researched on it and then sent us the thing. Then we just contacted these people on the phone to say that we have got this and we would like to have a demo. They they asked us to come. We came. They assessed us and they told us that he's a right patient for the walk device, and we opted for it, and they gave us the walk device, and we have been using it for the last 1 year. And with this walk device, he has become more independent. He goes out for walks. He feels that he's become independent now, and he likes to tell everybody. He keeps on telling everybody, see this, I've got this device which helps me in walking. He goes around telling people, and he is very happy now, and he feels that it has helped him. Would you like to tell something how it has helped you? No, he doesn't know. He feels little shy to talk in front of everybody, and socially he is very the same.
And we did astrological work, and we still are doing. And he comes actually remedies also I give for this for my health program. I have done some pujas. After taking this after 2-3 months, I become okay now again. But suddenly sometimes I need to choke. Any road anywhere. And people should ask, I feel very bad for that. Now I am still okay. Only thing is that sometimes the release stops.
So I would like to tell everybody that we have what you call suffering is not to lose hope. There's always help and support. Together we can keep moving and moving forward, and we can fight our weaknesses. Thank you so much.